Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. My name is Zarina Ignacio Timuna. I am 42 years old, married, and I have two kids. I have 19 years old son and 13 years old daughter. I am a college graduate and I am also a certified caregiver. My work experience is I work in Dubai for 2 years. I served couple local and their newborn baby girl. My duties is to in the morning I woke up early at 5 a.m. to make a breakfast for my madam, and then when they go to work I will take good care of the baby, and then if the baby is sleeping I will make a little clean in the house, and then in the afternoon when they come back, that's the time I will make the cleaning, washing, and ironing, and then cooking.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'm going to check her diaper, and then if it's okay, I will. If still she's crying, I will give her milk, and then last I will check her temperature.
Okay. So, if ever the children is need to do bathing, so what they need to prepare?
I will prepare a lukewarm water, towel and soap. And when I will take a shower, I will I will
What they need to
take
be take care?
I will take her eyes, nose, ears, and mouth.
Okay. If ever the children or the baby is very naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage her to make play, sing a song, and I will have to give great patience to them.
Okay. So, do you know how to sing a nursery song?
Yes.
Okay, can you sing now?
Um, See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, blow a
Okay,
carol
thank
goodbye.
you. Okay, if ever the children or baby is sick, what will you do?
First, I will check her temperature, and then I will inform her parents.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
Um, I want to come Hong Kong for work, and so that I can give a good future to my family. I can um, give them um, financial support.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you work there?
My husband.
So if ever you feel homesick, how can you avoid it?
Um, I'm going to make myself busy at work, and then I'm going to treat my employer as my family.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
Dogs, big dogs, a little. I'm scared.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No,
Do you have any medication?
no.
So what food can you cook?
I can cook like native cook like Filipino foods, and I am willing to learn to cook um like
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
no, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes,
In which part?
here my back.
So cannot see on.
No.
Okay. So if ever there's an elder person and that assists all their needs in your employer house, are you willing?
Yes,
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
yes,
Can you clean the car without extra pay?
yes.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
No, yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my hi, to my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am honest, helpful, graceful. I am I
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
I promise to finish my contract, and
Okay. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
thank you.